Memory is the scribe of the soul. In 1969, Dr. Donald Goodwin conducted a thought-provoking study. Participants were asked to observe an object and remember it just 2 minutes later. The unusual twist? All participants were heavily intoxicated. To the surprise of many, most participants managed to recall the object correctly despite their inebriation. However, when asked to remember it 30 minutes later, nearly half of them couldn't, seemingly unable to access the memory. It was as if the moment had been completely wiped from their minds. This experiment offers a fascinating glimpse into the curious and selective effects alcohol has on the human brain. Intoxicated individuals often appear capable of carrying out complex tasks, such as having detailed conversations or navigating familiar routes. Yet for those experiencing blackouts, the memories of these actions are erased, leaving no trace. But what is it about alcohol that causes these memory lapses? The answer lies in ethanol, the active compound in alcoholic beverages. Ethanol is lightweight and fat-soluble, allowing it to pass through the brain's protective blood-brain barrier with ease. Once inside, it binds to and disrupts neuronal receptors, impairing pathways that regulate decision-making, impulse control, and motor skills. Memory-related networks, however, seem especially vulnerable to its influence. Ordinarily, sensory information is processed and relayed through a network of neurons in the brain. Neurons communicate by releasing neurotransmitters, which bind to receptors on neighboring neurons. This interaction opens channels that allow ions to flow between cells, enabling electrical signals to pass along the network. These lightning-fast exchanges create our ongoing awareness of the world. Ethanol interferes with this process, making it harder for neurons to communicate effectively. While basic functions like conversation or movement might still be possible, the brain's ability to encode and store memories becomes significantly compromised. The process of memory formation depends on a phenomenon called long-term potentiation, LTP. During LTP, neurons undergo physical changes, such as adding more receptors to their surfaces, strengthening the connections between them. These strengthened connections allow information to be stored as long-term memories. Ethanol disrupts this process, preventing the structural changes needed for memory formation. As a result, while moment-to-moment experiences may register briefly, they fail to be retained, leading to blackouts. Not all levels of drinking cause blackouts. They usually occur when a person's blood alcohol concentration, BAC, exceeds approximately 0.16. At slightly lower BAC levels, individuals might experience brownouts, or partial memory loss, where some neurons fail to function. Drinking even more can lead to full unconsciousness. A variety of factors can increase the likelihood of blackouts, including hydration levels, genetics, medications, and whether or not the person has eaten recently. Teenagers in particular are more prone to blackouts due to their developing brains, which are undergoing critical changes. While the immediate effects of alcohol typically fade within a day as the body metabolizes it, repeated excessive drinking can cause lasting harm. Over time, neurons may become permanently damaged, impairing memory and other cognitive functions. Other organs, like the liver, also suffer under the strain of processing large amounts of alcohol. Experiencing or witnessing blackouts is a stark reminder of alcohol's profound impact on the body and mind. These episodes underscore the importance of understanding the risks and making informed decisions about alcohol consumption. For more videos, please like and subscribe.